Hello, and welcome to Conservation Skills in 10 Minutes or Less. This series of short, skill-based videos is brought to you by the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service's National Conservation Training Center in Shepherdstown, West Virginia. If you have a few minutes, pull up a chair and pick up a new conservation skill or refresh an old one on topics ranging from fish culture to bird identification to stream restoration. Enjoy.
The pick chart is a tool to sort and prioritize ideas. The ideas are evaluated based on cost and benefit. This tool is helpful when there are a lot of ideas, confusion on where to begin, and a need for prioritization. To begin, clearly state the topic or issue that will be discussed. In our scenario, the team is talking about ways to improve morale. Individually, participants will brainstorm ideas using one post-it per idea. Create the pick chart by drawing a 4-quadrant grid. Now label the horizontal and vertical axes. The horizontal axis represents cost, which can be defined as either money or difficulty in implementing. The vertical axis represents the benefit, which can be the added value or impact. In our example of how to improve morale, we will be using impact and monetary value as our two evaluation factors. Each axis is divided into low and high sections, thus creating 4 distinct categories. The categories are low cost, low impact, low cost, high impact, high cost, high impact, and high cost, low impact. Clarify values if needed. In our scenario, the group decided it would be helpful to define low cost and high cost, but unnecessary to define low impact and high impact. After each idea is read aloud, the group decides on the category each idea should be assigned to. PIC is an acronym that stands for Possible, Implement, Consider, and Kill. The low cost, low impact ideas are possible. The low cost, high impact ideas should be implemented first. The high cost, high impact are those that can be considered as they may need additional money, time, or resources. While all ideas are worthwhile, the ideas in the kill category are those that have the least amount of benefit with the highest cost and will be set aside for now. The pick chart allows the group to create a prioritized list of ideas. This is a tool that allows all attendees to participate and create a prioritized list of action items.
You want to learn more about this skill? I suggest signing up for the Business Communications course at the National Conservation Training Center. And if you stick around after this video, I'll walk you through how to find this course on our website. If you have questions about the skills in this facilitation series, please contact Christy at the email and phone number below. If you have questions about other skills or any course at the National Conservation Training Center, you can reach me at the phone and email address below. Thank you. As promised, I was going to show you how to find this course on our website. Best bet is to use a search engine and type in National Conservation Training Center. It's usually the first thing that pops up. And then in the search bar, you want to type in business communication. Hit enter. You can see the first PDF here. Open that up, and you can see it provides a description, objectives, target audience, and if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll find upcoming courses. Thanks. Thanks again for joining us for Conservation Skills in 10 Minutes or Less. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like, hit the subscribe button, share this video with a friend, or check out one of the many other skill-based videos in this series. Have a wonderful day, and always remember, the beautiful thing about learning is that no one can take it away from you.